very warm welcome to all my lovely students. This is your English teacher, Mrs. Janaki Biswas, and back with your English classes. Students, in the previous video, I explained to you the summary of Chapter 8, that is Infant Rescue. Today, in this video, I will be doing the detailed reading and explanation of the lesson. And this is the first part of the detailed reading and explanation of the chapter. So before we go for the detailed reading, let me quickly recap what we did in the first video. In the first video, I told you the summary, and it was a story about a cow elephant and a calf. The theme of the story was the relationship between humans and animals, as well as the selfless love and bonding which a mother has towards the child. In the beginning of the story, we see the scenic beauty of a particular place at a night. Everything was very quiet and silent. Everything was shining with silvery light. Only the sound which was heard was the sound of a tractor, and a farmer was returning home. On the way, the farmer saw a herd of elephants, and particularly one elephant, that is a cow elephant, was blocking the way. The farmer could sense something wrong, and he informed the forest department. From the forest department, P. Sharat Kumar came for the rescue, and he and his group, they tried for 3 hours to send the cow elephant back, but they were not able to do. So they could also sense that something was wrong. And at that time, they found the answer. They heard the cry of a calf, that is a baby elephant. And the baby elephant was crying for help. And when they looked here and there, they saw that a baby elephant was stuck in a sandy hole or in a pit. And it looked so weak that they thought that it was better to first feed the elephant. So they gave glucose and coconut water to the calf, and then they pulled the calf out. But still the calf was so frightened and weak that it was not able to walk. And the officials also knew that the cow elephant was somewhere near, and if they took a long time to take decision, then maybe the cow elephant would come to attack them. So it was the time to act very quickly, and as a very noble and humble human being, P. Sharat Kumar, he acted quickly and carried the calf on his shoulders and took him to the forest and left it there. And after a few hours, when he went to check whether the calf was still there or not, he saw that the calf was not there. So he could assume and realize that the cow elephant and the calf, they went back inside the forest. And after that, he even heard the sound of an elephant. That means a trumpet of an elephant. And he thought that maybe it was the way in which the elephant or the cow elephant was thanking them for saving the calf. So this was a summary which I did in the previous video. Now everyone, open your English course book, Chapter 8, Chapter 8, Infant Rescue, for a detailed reading and explanation of the lesson.
Dear students, open page number 85 and place the book in front of you. Today we will be doing a detailed reading and explanation of Chapter 8, that is Infant Rescue. I have already explained, students, the meaning of this, the meaning of the title. Infant means small child, and rescue means to save someone. So it is a story about a small child, and here the small child is a baby elephant, that is a calf. So how a calf is being rescued, that means how a calf is being saved, a small calf of 10 days old. How the small calf is saved, that is being described in this story. Now let us come to the warm-up exercise. Think and talk about any 3 dangers that wild animals in forests face. So students, nowadays the wild animals in the forests also they face a lot of danger. Now we have to name 3. So nowadays students, these wild animals face the dangers such as pollution, climatic change, hunting, and then habitat loss, deforestations. So out of these we have to mention any 3. So you can take as pollution or hunting or climatic change. So now let us come to the reading part, that is a detailed reading of this chapter. The road from Mettupalayam to Thekkampatti looked beautiful in the bright moonlight. The hills in the distance and the forest with its leafy trees shone with a silvery light. In the silence of the night, there was the sound of a tractor. A farmer returning home in the distance could see some elephants. They will go back into the forest soon, he thought. So, in the first paragraph, students, the scenic beauty, the beauty of a particular place is described here. So, the road from particular place, that is the road from Mettupalayam to Thekkampatti, it looked beautiful at night. At night, in the full moon day, that is a full moon night, it was shining brightly. The hills at the distance, as well as the forest with its leafy trees, they were shining with a silvery light. So, in this paragraph, the writer is showing the beauty at the night. At night, how that area looked. And everything was very quiet, silent and beautiful. And only one thing they could hear, that one sound they could hear, that was the sound of a tractor. And a farmer was returning home. A farmer was returning home on his tractor. And what did the farmer see? At a distance, the farmer could see some elephants. And then he thought that okay, all these elephants will return back to the forest soon. So in this paragraph, students, we can see lot of adjectives here like beautiful, bright and leafy, then silvery. So in the first paragraph, we came to know that the road from Mettupalayam to Thekkampatti looked very beautiful, particularly at night in the bright moonlight. Everything, the hills, the trees, they were shining and giving out silvery light. But in that silence, only one sound was clearly audible, and that sound was the sound of a tractor. That is, one farmer was returning home. And the farmer saw some elephants at a distance. But then this was something very usual. So he thought that maybe after few minutes or after some time, these elephants would go back. But then students, something very different happened. Now let's see. But the elephants thought differently. So what the way the man thought, the farmer thought, the elephants did not think in that way. So as he came a little closer, he saw a cow elephant blocking the road. She seemed nervous. Something was wrong. So the man waited here. So the farmer waited that the elephants would go back, but the elephants did not return. So then the farmer thought that there is something wrong. So when he came closer, then he saw that one mother elephant, or it is called as cow elephant, that the mother elephant or the cow elephant was blocking the road. And the elephant seemed very nervous and restless. So from the action, from the gesture, whatever the activity the elephant was doing, but that is the cow elephant, the farmer could sense something wrong. So she seemed nervous. Something was wrong. He turned off the engine and waited for some time. But the elephant was getting more and more restless. He decided to alert the forest department. So now in the second paragraph, what we came to know? From the second paragraph, we came to know that the elephants, the group of elephants that was standing, they were not there to return back to the forest. Today they were behaving, that is on particular that day, they were behaving differently. And when the farmer came closer, he saw that one particular elephant, that is the cow elephant, was blocking the road, and she looked very nervous and restless. She was moving from this way and that way, and she wanted to signal or indicate something. So, from this, the farmer could sense that something was wrong with the elephant. So, he turned off his engine and he waited for some time. But still, he could see that the elephant was nervous and the elephant was not ready to return. So, he decided to inform the forest department. So, here, students, in this paragraph, we can see some of the adjectives like little, nervous, and here, students, one word we have seen, restless. It means uneasy. It gives the feeling that something, the things are not in a proper way, and so a feeling of restlessness and uneasy is shown here. So now here the farmer decided that he cannot handle this matter and he should inform that thing to the forest department.
What I read just now, students, that the road from Mettupalayam to Thekkampatti looked very beautiful in the bright moonlight. Everything was shining brightly. The hills in the distance and the leafy trees, they were all giving silvery light. Everything was very quiet and silent. Total silence was there. Only the sound they could hear was the sound of a tractor. A farmer was returning home, and the farmer saw a group of elephants at a distance. And he thought that okay, maybe it will go back within a few minutes, or it will take some time, but the elephants will go back. But when the farmer came closer, he saw that the elephants were acting in a different way, and particularly one elephant, that is the cow elephant, was blocking the way. And the cow elephant looked very nervous and restless. So the farmer could sense something wrong, and he thought that it was better to inform the forest department. So these two paragraphs, when I read, students, we came across some of the hard words. Let us see the meaning of those words. Have a look at the board now. Lesson 8, Infant Rescue. Meanings. The first word, silence, noun. Complete absence of sound. Next, infant. This is the title. I have taken this word from the title. Infant, it's noun, a young child or baby. Nervous and restless. These two words are related to the cow elephant. The cow elephant was very nervous and restless. So, nervous, adjective, easily agitated. Or you can say easily alarmed. Restless, adjective, feeling uneasy. And rescue, it can be taken as verb also, noun also. Here I have written it as noun. It means to save someone from a dangerous situation. I am repeating once again. Silence, complete absence of sound. Infant, a young child or baby. Nervous, easily agitated. Restless, feeling uneasy. And rescue, to save someone from a dangerous situation.
So the farmer he decided to inform the forest department, and a guard named P. Sharat Kumar and 5 others came for the help. They wanted to find out why the cow elephant was restless and nervous. So now let's read this passage, that is this paragraph. P. Sharat Kumar, a forest guard, and 5 others came quickly. The elephant was near the banks of the Bhavani river. They spent 3 hours trying to send the elephant back into the forest. But she would cross the road and then come back to the same spot where they had found her. Why? They wondered. Now the forest officer and the 5 others, when they came, they saw the elephant. At that time, the elephant was drinking water from the river. And then they tried for 3 hours to send the elephant back. But the elephant would go back and then again return to the same spot, that is the same place where they found the elephant. Now this was a signal. And now these people started thinking, why the elephant is behaving in this way? They looked here and there, but then they could not find anything. They could not get the answer to their question that why the elephant is behaving in this way, why the elephant is coming back to this particular area. So they wondered, that means they kept on thinking that why this is happening. There must be something which they are missing. And then they got the answer. Just see. As if to answer their question, they heard the cry of a baby elephant. And at that particular time only they heard a cry. And the cry was the cry of a baby elephant. But where was it? So they could only hear. All these people who came for the rescue, they could only hear the sound, but they could not see the baby elephant. But where was it? They started searching and found the calf. So students, baby elephant is called a calf. And how old was this calf? It was only a 10-day-old baby with a 10-day-old baby with a tender means soft, with a tender pink-tipped trunk and fine soft hair on its head and back. They felt so sorry for the little creature. So now in this paragraph, we come to know what was the problem which the mother elephant, that is the cow elephant, had. The cow elephant was looking for her baby, that is for her calf. And she was not able to find the calf. That is, the calf was in some kind of danger and she wanted the help of the humans. She wanted the help of the human being, and that is why she was so nervous, so restless, moving this way and that way, because she wanted to give these people some signal to find out where was the calf. So I am repeating this again as if to answer their question. That means they were searching, and these people, they were wondering that what was the problem the mother elephant or the cow elephant was having. And they were thinking, because they could not see any moves or anything. They could not find any clue what was the problem that elephant was facing. But then something happened. You can call it as a miracle also. And what was the thing? They could hear the cry of a baby elephant. But again, the obstacle or the problem was that they could only hear the sound. They were not able to find out where the elephant was. So, but where was it? They started searching. So they started looking this way and that way, running here and there, and then they found the calf. And it was so small and looked so beautiful. It was a calf, only 10 days old baby, with a very soft and pink color trunk and soft hairs on the head on and the back, and seeing the calf stuck in the hole. These people, the people who came to save them, to rescue, they were feeling so sorry for that, particularly the small baby calf, that is the little creature. So, hope students, this explanation of this paragraph is clear to you. So, from the beginning, we started with the beauty of the area, and in the second paragraph, we came to know about the elephant, a cow elephant, and then now in this paragraph, we came to know about the problem which the cow elephant had. That is, she lost her baby, the calf, and she wanted the help from the humans to find out the calf, because particularly the calf, the very small 10-day-old calf, and it was stuck in a hole.
The farmer informed the forest department, and a forest guard whose name was P. Sharat Kumar, he along with 5 others came for the rescue. They spent 3 hours, but they were not able to send the cow elephant back. And then they were wondering, they were thinking why the cow elephant was behaving in this way. And then the answer came. They could hear the cry of a calf, a baby elephant. And when they looked this side and that side, they was not able to find it. But later when they move ahead, they saw that a baby elephant, that is a calf, who was only 10 days old, was stuck in a sandy hole. And they felt so sorry about that particular little creature. Now students, have a look at the board. Now we came across some of the words. The first word, tender. The elephant was having very tender pink color trunk. So tender, adjective showing gentleness or kindness, or we can say even soft. Here in this lesson, tender means soft. Wondered means, it's a verb, it means feel curious. That means to feel curious and to think. And creature, it's a noun, an animal. I'm repeating once again. Tender, adjective showing kindness or gentleness, or here it means soft. Tender trunk. Wondered means feeling curious, or you can say as thinking. They were feeling curious to find out what made the cow elephant so disturbed. Creature, an animal. The calf was called as the little creature here. So students, with this we have completed the first part of the detailed reading and explanation of chapter 8, Infant Rescue. Hope you all have understood the lesson properly, and do note down the word meanings which I have written here on the board. And in the next video, I will complete the second and the last part of the explanation. Till then students, take care and goodbye.